Hey, good morning. Hello, everybody. Saturday, October 8th. And we got quite a bit of stuff going on. As always, trying to fix our refrigerator, number one. Let's take a look. Our friendly refrigerator repairman is here. We're going to see what the problem is. This is his driver. So we do have power in the refrigerator, as I mentioned before. But it's not getting cold, so he's checking it out now. He's seeing what the verdict is. And then we're still working on the roof here. All the doors were put back on yesterday. Jeffrey's doing a great job. He built all the framing from the right side here. The left side there where the roof is was already on. It's okay, which I'm surprised. Only the right side came off. And then he's going to put some used metal so I don't have to buy any up there. Also, we're expecting a delivery today of the free metal that we're entitled to. Grace said it's coming today. And then we can start rebuilding the roof over here. Get rid of this tarp. Not get rid of it, we'll just use it somewhere else. We'll figure something, maybe we'll put it on this side, who knows. And Jimmy went with the kids to get a welding our other little glass table we had over here. Needs to be welded, and also get another bag of skim coat, because we only have 3 poles over here done. We have one more pole we need done here. As you can see, the white ones are done. So that's a nice little kubo. And then, as I've mentioned before, probably gonna put this one where my truck is, so I can park under it. But we'll see. I'm not sure yet. I don't know if it's a total good idea yet, because it's really not big enough. But I'm gonna measure it and see. I really need a kind of a better garage. I just don't want to spend the money right now. I have too many other things to buy. I don't know. We'll see. Haven't made up my mind yet. So that's it. We're just waiting for a couple more workers. We have one guy over here working on the wood pile, kind of separating the good wood from the bad, and he's also helping Jeffrey. This is Jeffrey walking into the screen now. So I'm not sure how many people will actually have helping today. Probably won't be too many. Everybody still has their own stuff to do. But they were a big help here. Everybody was a big help here. We couldn't have done it without the many workers that I had here. We could have never done what we did. It took up till now to really pretty much get everything done. I mean, there's still little things to do, but we pretty much have everything on track. Our life is fairly normal now. So it's looking good. Happy for all the help. And oh wait, he's gonna tell me something. Let's see. What's the story?
Just icy. This one.
Oh, it burned out? Oh yeah, I can see it's all burnt.
Ayan.
The whole part.
Yes, sir.
This part can be replaced though?
Replace
Okay.
from Cabanatuan.
You have to go all the way to Cabanatuan to fix it?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Magkano, how much you think?
I don't think. Tanong nyo na lang. Di ko alam, sir, eh.
I can see it's all dirty, probably got wet, it's all burnt out.
Basa.
You sure that they will have it in Cabanatuan though, huh?
This shorted.
Yeah. Where they sell something like this? Electronics store? Where they sell it?
Yeah, ano, sir?
Repair shop?
Repair shop. Sa ano, Deco? Deco... Ano ng Deco, Christian? Electronics and refrigeration.
Okay, they have a place in Cabanatuan, refrigeration, electronics.
Place Rizal Street, Cabanatuan City.
Okay, nothing we can do until I go there, I guess. That's the main problem though, huh? Okay. So that's it, you heard it, that's the verdict. Needs a part. Have to go to Cabanatuan, of course, like for everything else. That's it, everybody, for now. Make sure you like and subscribe. Santa Claus, over and out. God bless.